Hey folks, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. For the people who've known me for many, many years, I'm going to pull up my old moniker, the network janitor, because I'm always cleaning stuff up. And here's a great example. I've got a firewall configuration with some policies on this Edge Max router. It's a Ubiquiti thing. It doesn't matter if it's Ubiquiti or Cisco or Juniper. It doesn't matter. It's the same methodology. The details are a bit different. So the point is simple. If you've got some policies in place, A, they should be documented, and B, you should be able to find out if they're being used. Okay. There's a lot of red flags on this one already, and I'm going to explain it to you and see if it helps you out in life. First one is the default action. Default action on the standard policy rules at this company is drop, and this one's accept. Well, all right, that's the red flag number one. Oh, by the way, this is the IT router. We all know what that means. Everybody mucks with it. Everybody makes temporary changes, and nothing ever gets updated or removed. So who knows when this is done by whoever. And you can see interface Ethernet 0 in and 0 out. Same port in and out, which is, again, kind of odd. Usually you come in on a port and go out on another port. So that's like red flag number two. The other one is this name is called LAN. That's policy is called a LAN policy. We don't have that anywhere in this corporation and any of their policies or their standards document or any other device in the corporation. So that is yet another red flag. What we're going to do here with Ubiquiti is we can go down to configuration. Let me just pull this up. You can review the configuration in a GUI based interface, which is kind of nice. But the thing I want to look at is this, stats. So stats is going to tell you if it's actually doing anything. So it's not stopping anything. It's supposed to be stopping SMB. It's not. Everything is going right through. The default action was accept, so it's all going through. So it's doing nothing. So we can confidently nuke this. Yeah, it's off the screen, but it's delete. Do you want to delete this rule set? Yep. I am like 99.999999% confident that is not being used for anything. There you go, folks. Clean your stuff up because it's going to bite you in the butt sooner or later. Have a good day. Bye for now.